Let's look at motor fuel prices in Europe. The cost of 1 liter of motor fuel, gasoline and diesel, includes the purchase price of crude oil, the value-added tax and excise duties levied by governments, which may include environmental taxes, and the margin, which covers the costs of refining, transportation, insurance, stockpiling, distribution, and sale to consumers. When you look at the price of unleaded gasoline for this particular day across Europe, you will see variability. The lowest price was in Romania, and the highest price was in Italy. The average retail price per liter in Europe for motor fuel was €1.58. The value-added tax, VAT, and excise duties account for an average of 50% of the price of a liter of motor fuel, and the remainder is the margin. €1.58 per liter converts to approximately €6 or $7.85, depending on the exchange rate, for a gallon of gas in the United States. Now compare this to the average price breakdown in the U.S. In February 2012, the average price of regular gasoline was $3.58 per gallon. At this particular time, the cost of crude oil accounted for 72% of the price. Refining, distribution, and marketing accounted for 17%, and taxes accounted for 11%. Much of the difference in price between the United States and Europe is attributable to the difference in taxes. Consumers in the U.S. pay on average only 11% in taxes, compared to European consumers who pay an average of 50% in taxes and duties. The $3.58 a gallon cost in the U.S. converts to 95 cents per liter in dollars, or 72 cents per liter in euros, much less than the market price of €1.58 per liter in Europe. Despite the lower prices in the United States, rising gas prices in the U.S. provoke commentary and concern, especially during an election year, as evidenced by this video clip.
The media has been lying to you. It's going to stop now. You have all seen these headlines. These are real, ripped from the headlines. Take a look at this. Oil, $110 a barrel for the first time in 2 years. Biggest market risk, Mid-East turmoil. Wrong. Oil hits $120 after strike in Gabon. Wrong. U.S. crude climbs on jobs data. Really wrong. That top one is the only one that comes close to being right. Oil prices edge lower on European debt concerns and China rate hike. Let me show you a picture like you need to know, because if you drive a car, you know exactly what's been going on with the price of a barrel of oil, because you know what's going on with the price of a gallon of gas. This is oil prices since the beginning of January.